Hey, it's David. I have another repair video today. The other day I was getting in my car real quick and accidentally hit the blinker stalk and broke it off. And it actually happened at a service center. So I showed the guys at the service center, Tesla, and they said, yeah, well, they can order that as a part. It's a $260 part plus tax plus whatever labor is to swap it out. And they said it's going to take a while to get it. So I thought in the meantime I'll do some research, and I found that you can actually, number one, get the part, and it actually isn't very hard to swap it out. So I looked in the service manual for the car, and the steps are actually super simple. It's just one page. Very simple. So I thought I'd give it a try. I bought the part at a place called autobahntesla.com. Henry Newman is the guy behind it, and he's really a great guy, and I kind of want to give him a shout out because not just because he has parts. There's a lot of stores that have used Tesla parts, but he's actually doing really honest and great business. I had some mixed experience with other places. They sent me stuff that wasn't really working or had some damages, and whatever he sells is in parts is tested, and he's also, if something doesn't work, he's not going to be a dick and say no, whatever. He's going to take it back and stand behind it. So I think that's worth definitely giving him the business. Anyway, I'm going to put the description down in the link in the description so you can check him out. So I try to document the whole thing on video so you can follow it, and if it ever happens to you, you can watch this and hopefully replicate it. It actually is not as hard as I thought it would be, but let's get started. Okay, so I'm on my way to get the part. Just when I got in, I ripped it out completely, so now it's gone. Not that it would work anyways, it wouldn't set anything. So yeah, I'm gonna get the part now. They're kind of close to San Diego. Okay, I got the part here. Just picked it up. Great people here. And now I'm on my way back, and then I'm gonna try to put it back on. Quick stop in San Clemente, just gonna hit the bathroom, maybe get a little snack. I don't need much time here, maybe 20 minutes at the most. So here's a new part that goes behind the steering wheel. So I gotta take the steering wheel out. First to take the airbag off, then the whole steering wheel comes off, and then this whole part with all these controls comes out and gets replaced. Hold on one second. Before you do what I'm doing here or what I'm about to do here, if you like the way your face looks, do me a favor, stop everything, disconnect your 12-volt battery to make sure that the airbag can't accidentally go off. The first thing you're taking out, this part with the controls and that big Tesla logo, this looks great, but behind it is a airbag, and the chances that it goes off while you're working on it is really, really low. But just in case, it could, and if it does while you're working on it, especially when it's out, half out, and you have tools in your hands there, that can do some serious damage to your face and other body parts. So I would recommend turning off the 12-volt system before you do anything related to the airbag. It does help if you pull the steering wheel a little to the side. Okay. I guess this whole thing comes out as a unit here. It seems to be stuck up in the front. There we go.
Now, I'm also a drink.
Huh. Alrighty. Okay. So this whole thing comes out as a unit. Actually comes out pretty easy. And you just have to unplug. Let's see if we can see this better. Unplug here. I need both hands here. One, pull. There we go. So this whole thing here gonna just put to the side for now. Alright, so the next thing is this guy here.
Okay. Let's see. Oh my god, yes, they were right. This is hard. Oh my god.
Alright. Whew. Okay, all good. Cool. There's my steering wheel. It's a good opportunity to clean it while I have it out. Or not. Maybe this just comes off. Oh, that was easy. This just comes right off. Okay. Maybe it's just this piece here. Oh yeah, here we go. This is just clipped in. Okay. And now, here's that connector. How do I get it out without breaking it? I don't know yet. Ah! Did I just break it? There we go. Oh, that is just, I see. That just goes over this guy so it doesn't accidentally get loose, and they're just making double and triple sure that it's not coming out. Undo these 3 screws and put that sleeve over this guy again. Right? Looks about right. Okay. Alright, this is very straightforward. It's like 1, 2, and 3 screws here to hold that in place. And that's it. Voila. Okay. So this is the old part. And this is the new one here. The sleeve goes over and the screws go back in. It should be pretty easy to do. So I got these together again. Now I need to plug in that yellow connector. Hard to see probably. Here we go. And so this goes on top to protect it, but I'm not quite sure how. Let's just give it a try. There we go. This goes over it. Hey, this already connects. That's awesome. The car is off, so it doesn't use the wipers. Let me see if I can put it in drive. No, it won't. Oh, it does. Holy shit, it goes in drive. Alright. I don't have a steering wheel, but it will let me go into drive. Interesting. Front trunk open. Yeah, I know. So it looks like it works. That's awesome. That's reassuring. So now I just have to put the steering wheel back. Where did I put it? Oh, up here. Hello, steering wheel. I didn't really clean it, but that's fine. Alright, to put this back over, you first align the two connectors, and then let me zoom in here a little bit and brighten it up. You need to align the two, I don't know, what can I use to show you? You see there's a, here we go, at the bottom here there's a little groove here, and then there's one on the steering column, and they have to line up. It's not perfectly lined up right. Actually, no, I need to go one over. And it seems it doesn't go all the way in, but that's as far as it goes. Yeah, it seems to be fine. Ah, almost forgot that ring here. Almost forgot it. Good that I'm doing the video. This clips all around. There we go. Easy. Okay, align these guys. Align these. Alright, you know, pushing in. That's as far as it goes. Looks good. Alright, last but not least, getting this piece back in place. So there's these round clips that go into that. I love that they marked it yellow. Goes into yellow. And the other one goes in here. So now let's carefully line up the top first. Okay, this looks good. All right, it all snaps into place. Pretty easy. Bingo! Much easier than I thought, much quicker than I thought, and I don't know, straightforward, pretty much in and out. Awesome. Alright, let's do a little test drive. Looks good. Blinker works. Left blinker works. Windshield wiper work. Let's turn around here. Key no longer in car. Oh shit, I forgot my key. Alright, that's fine. Let's see if the wiper fluid thing works. Yes, it does. And yeah, it looks everything is fine. Put the car in neutral. Put it back in drive. Excellent. Alrighty, good. Alright, I just did a test drive. Everything works fine. The car behaves normally. All the controls work. Everything feels the way it should feel. Steering is fine. Everything. Yeah, that was much easier than I thought. Much quicker than I thought. And really pretty much painless. I really expected something to go wrong. Something that didn't work. Some error messages or whatever. But nothing. Anyways, I hope you liked this video. I hope it was helpful to you. Please share it if you want, subscribe, and leave a comment if you feel like. Other than that, I'll see you again next time.